Welcome to Mongoria! Today, we are harvesting dirt. How does this work, you might ask? Well, that's a good fucking question. Let me show you what the dirt digger does to the dirt. Okay, here she goes. Oh, look at that baby in action. That's a dirt digger, folks. Look, hands-free driving. Holy shit, my drill got stuck. Fuck you, dirt! Fuck you! Fuck you, dirt! Fuck you! Fuck this dirt! This fucking shit! Ah, shit! Okay, hold on. We got technical difficulties. Holy shit, I'm pissed! That fucking dirt just fucked some shit up! Holy shit! Look at that shit go! Oh, in Mongolia, we're so good at a dirt harvest. Happen 3 times a year, only during harvest moon. Only on April 42nd. You do not have high numbers on your weak Western calendar. Only in Mongolia. We come from a race of wrestling warriors who rode horses with big swords and little dicks. Welcome to Mongolia! We built a shitty wall out of dirt, and you get to see the drill is too goddamn low! Fucking Mongorians built their bullshit again! Holy shit, I'm pissed! Okay, here we go. Now I'll show you how we harvest the dirt. Fuck you, dirt! Fuck you! Get in your fucking bag, you fuck! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you, dirt! Fucking dirt and fucking... Oh, fuck! Fuck that dirt! Fucking dirty-ass dirt! Oh, bitch-ass dirt! Fucking shit out here! Holy shit, it's a fucking obstacle! We had to switch to manual mode. Watch out, a man's in charge now! Holy shit! He's going crazy! He must have had some Cocoa Puffs! What are Cocoa Puffs, Dad? I don't know! I harvest dirt for a living!